Hi everyone, my name is Gray. I'm the dietitian and health coach with MLK Health Center and Pharmacy. Like many of you, I have been spending more time at home because of the COVID-19 pandemic. It means I've had a little more downtime, so I've been checking the news and social media a little more frequently than I would have normally. And I've noticed a concerning trend around alcohol. I've seen news articles about alcohol sales spiking in the recent months. I'm seeing all kinds of little things on social media about people posting their cocktails or joking about drinking at all hours of the day. Even going to the grocery store, I see people stocking up on wine, beer, those sorts of things. So I know alcohol is very normalized in our society, but I wanted to remind everybody that this could be a particularly concerning time to be overdoing it on the alcohol. The big reason being is that alcohol affects our immune system. I think that's something that we frequently forget about. If we're chronically drinking, so drinking just about every day of the week, or we're binge drinking, so drinking a lot at one time, that can really do a number on our immune system. Overall, it's going to dampen our immune system, but it also affects other areas. So we have physical barriers to the outside world. Our skin, the lining of our lungs, the lining of our intestines, that protects our bloodstream basically from various viruses and bacteria. Sorry, my dog is tiptoeing around here. So those barriers protect us from viruses and bacteria. When we chronically drink and binge drink, it actually damages those barriers, so we're left more susceptible to little pathogens, bacteria, viruses like COVID-19. Additionally, we know that older folks are more susceptible to having more serious cases of COVID-19, but we're also seeing young, healthy folks that are dying from this, which seems to be coming from an overreaction of the immune system. Unfortunately, one of the things that can drive that overreaction is chronic alcohol use. When the immune system is kind of tamped down and we do get sick, it tends to kind of kick into high gear and overreact, and that can cause sometimes fatal consequences, which is really concerning. On a different note, beyond just our immune system, keep in mind that alcohol is a temporary fix. I know it's common to turn to alcohol when we're stressed. If you had a bad day, you're sad, whatever, just pour yourself a drink. But when we're regularly drinking, that's going to affect basically the chemicals in our brain and make us less tolerable to stress when we sober up. So it truly is a temporary fix. So I would encourage you all to not immediately reach for the alcohol if you are feeling stress and anxiety, but to pepper in some other healthier coping mechanisms. I'm not saying you have to completely cut out all the alcohol, but try to balance that and not go overboard, especially during this time, because we want to protect our immune system. And as a side note, this is more for the quote moderate or everyday social drinkers. I'm not referring to folks that are physically dependent. If you have withdrawal symptoms, if you cut back, now is probably not the time, since some of our hospitals are overwhelmed. So I'm more talking about, like I said before, those moderate social type drinkers. So I hope this is helpful. Keep this in mind. If you have interest in other wellness or nutrition videos, please check out our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.